Sit in Vajrasana or a cross-legged pose with the hands resting on the knees. Spine tall and shoulders away from the ears. Inhale. Slowly circle the neck starting from the side to tilt head backwards. Exhale. Circle the chin downwards from the other side. Complete the circle with smooth, rhythmic movements. Do not strain. Feel the stretch in the neck muscles all through the circles. Circle the neck only and do not move the ribs or the rest of the torso. Inhale as the neck is tilted backwards and exhale as the chin circles in the forward direction. Do not hold your breath. Inhale as the head moves up. Exhale as the head moves down. Sit in cross-legged pose with your spine erect. Place the fingers of your left hand on your left shoulder and the fingers of your right hand on your right shoulder. Fully rotate your elbows at the same time, making large circles in opposite directions. Practice 5 times clockwise and then 5 times anti-clockwise. Try to touch your biceps to the ears while going upward. Squeeze your shoulder blades together while going backward. Touch the sides of your torso on the downward movement and touch your elbows in front of your chest on the forward movement. Keep the rest of your torso steady. Breathe normally. Tighten your abs and lift up from the base of your spine to maintain upright posture. Do not move your neck to increase range of motion at the shoulders. Stand erect with your feet together. Breathing in, raise both your hands up from the front, keeping the knees straight. As you breathe, try to deepen the forward bend to touch the toes every time you exhale. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Reach downwards, lead from the mid-back and lengthen from the lower back. Maintain every breath in the final posture. Exhaling, bring back your hands down next to your thighs. Stand at the feet with 2 feet apart. While breathing in, raise the arms from the front over the head. While breathing out, bend forward. Twist the trunk to the right. Bring the left hand to the right foot. The right arm should be outstretched vertically so that both arms form a straight line. Keep belly tightened and think of growing taller and wider through the middle fingers. Repeat on the other side. Look up at the left hand. Do not lean or bend forward from the torso. While breathing in, raise the body, come back to the starting position and relax. Sit tall on the floor. Sit bones grounded with your legs together straight in front of you and hands on the knee. Bend your right leg, placing the heel of your foot against your perineum and the sole of your foot against the inside of your left thigh. Inhale, reach the arms up without shrugging. Exhale and hinge forward from the hip towards the straight leg. Hold the knee, shin or toes with both hands as you lead the stretch from the chest. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Inhale and exhale to deepen the stretch. Do not pull from the head or arms and instead focus on maintaining an almost flat back as you lead from the chest. Come back up to sitting position. Bend your left leg and place the left foot just like the right leg. Inhale, raise the arms and rotate torso slightly towards the straight leg. Exhale, bend forward and try to touch the toes. Mid-back should not round excessively. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Keep your shoulders squared to the front at all times. Square the right shoulder in line with the left shoulder. Sit on the floor, sit bones grounded with the legs together, straight in front of you, feet relaxed and hands on the knees. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, hinge forward from the hips and reach arms towards the toes. If you cannot reach the toes, hold your shins and ankles and lead the stretch from the chest and not forehead. Keep legs activated and feet flexed and push the heels away from you and try to deepen the stretch with every exhalation. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Lead the forward bend from your chest and chin and look at your big toes. Inhale, raise your hands up and come back to the starting position and relax. With knees, ankles and big toes touching the ground, take a kneeling position. Sit on the heels and place palms on the knees. Place your hands on your knees and set your gaze forward with your head straight. Draw the abdominal region inside and expand the chest. Turn your attention to your breathing. Be fully aware of how you breathe and carefully observe as you inhale and exhale. You should close your eyes to concentrate on your breathing and to calm your mind. Note: beginners can take packing of a pillow or rolled carpet below the ankle and knee if they find too much stretch in their ankle joint. Come back to starting position and relax. Lie on your back with straight legs and flexed feet. Arms rest on the side. Engage your abs before you lift the legs straight up. Straight legs are difficult to lift off the floor. Bend the knees and then straighten them over the hips. Engage your abs to lift the hips up. Support them with your palms. Slowly walk the elbows closer to each other. Engage your abs. Squeeze the glutes as you hold the legs straight up, toes pointed. Keep the shoulders relaxed and length of the neck long. Ensure no weight is felt on the neck and is felt on the shoulders. Engage your abs as you slowly roll the spine down. Keep yourself supported with the palms till the back is safely flat on the floor. Lie flat on your back with your legs together. Place your arms beside the body with your palms facing downward. Raise both your legs towards the ceiling, keeping them straight and together using only the abdominal muscles. Press down on the arms. Engage the abs and lift the hips, rolling the back away from the floor without using momentum. Slowly lower your legs over the head. Keep pushing your hips up towards the ceiling while still trying to touch your toes to the floor behind your head if possible. Do not force your toes to touch the floor. To return, start by lowering the arms with the palms facing down and then slowly lower the back and hips to the floor. Raise your legs to the vertical position. Using the abdominal muscles, lower your legs to the starting position with control, keeping the knees straight. There should be no weight on your neck. Lie down on your back with straight legs, arms by your side. Bend both the legs and place them hip-width distance. Hold the ankles in the palms to ensure that they are closer to the hips. Take the palms and place them behind the shoulders, ensuring your fingers are splayed open and pointed towards your shoulders. Now, press into both the heels and palms to lift the hip up. Squeeze the glutes to keep the hips stable. Gaze in the front or between the palms. Focus on lifting the chest up. Avoid buckling the knees and keep them in line with the toes. To come down, bend the elbows, tuck the chin in, and slowly rest the back of the head on the floor. Then the upper back, mid back, and then the lower back and hips on the floor. Sit cross-legged, tall and comfortable, and place your hands on the knees. Through the nose, breathe into your belly and let it inflate on inhalation and deflate on exhalation. Keep your right hand on your abdomen to observe the breath. Take a deep breath with both your nostrils. Exhale forcefully through both your nostrils and keep deep contraction in the abdomen. Inhalations are shallow and quick, whereas the exhalations are forceful. Relax your shoulders and chest. It is important that the rapid breathing should be from your abdomen and not from your chest. Maintain tall posture from the lower back to the neck in the entire spine. Sit in any comfortable meditation posture, preferably Padmasana. Those who cannot sit in a meditation posture may sit against a wall with the legs outstretched or in a chair which has a straight back. Keep the head and spine upright. Relax your whole body and close your eyes. Your hands should be in the nose tip position. Hold the fingers of the right hand in front of the face. Rest the index and middle fingers gently on the eyebrow center. Both fingers should be relaxed. The thumb is above the right nostril and the ring finger above the left. These two digits control the flow of breath in the nostrils by alternately pressing on one nostril, blocking the flow of breath, and then the other. Close the right nostril with the thumb and breathe in through the left nostril. Do not strain. Close the left nostril with the ring finger. Release the pressure of the thumb on the right nostril, and the time for inhalation and exhalation should be equal. Inhale through the right nostril, keeping the same count. At the end of inhalation, close the right nostril, open the left nostril, and exhale through the left nostril. Inhale through the right nostril, keeping the same count. Open the left nostril and exhale through the left nostril. Inhale through the right nostril, keeping the same count. Open the left nostril and exhale through the left nostril.